Now to finish off my look, I'm going in with Stella McCartney Stella Peony. And I'm just going to pop that on my neck because if he hugs me, I want him to smell it. I want it on my wrist because it's just so delicate and it just smells great. I want to smell it myself everywhere.
The one I'm using today is the Kat Von D Sinner Eau de Parfum Travel Spray. This one I love because it just has that sexy, that warmth to it. It's just a very sultry fragrance.
We need a beautiful fragrance, therefore I'm using Tocca Giolietta Travel Spray. I love this fragrance very much. It's very light, it's very approachable as well, and it's not too overpowering.
To finish up my look, I'm going to use the Nest Black Tulip fragrance. It smells so good, it's fresh. It's very floral, but in a good way. It's not like your grandma's perfume. It's like nice and sexy.
What is your last step before going out? Perfume. This is the Issey Miyake L'Eau de Parfum. This is such a fresh, warm, sparkling scent. Every time I go out, everyone always asks me whenever I wear this perfume what I'm wearing.
Final step, just to complete my look, I'll be using my favorite fragrance, as you can see, and it's the Dior Poison Girl. And it's just so warm and spicy. I love it so much. I get so many compliments on it. It's just the perfect going out nighttime fragrance.